Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at the concept and syntax of while loop in C++. While loop. During our examination of the for loop in C++, we discovered that the number of iterations is known ahead of time. That is the number of times the loop body is required to be performed. The while loop in C++ is used when we don't know the precise number of loop iterations ahead of time. On the basis of the test condition, the loop execution is ended. In other words, when we were using for loop, we knew exactly how many times the loop has to be iterated. Let's say maybe 10 times or 15 times. But when it comes to while loop, we don't know the number of iterations to be performed. We only know a condition. So when the condition is met, the loop will end. So that is how a while loop works. When a particular condition is met, the loop will end itself. So now let us look at the syntax of while loop. This is the syntax of while loop. While, you have to write while is the keyword here. And in parentheses, we have to give the test expression. Let's say n greater than or equal to 10 or n lesser than or equal to 15, etc. And in the statement blocks we have to give the expressions like maybe see out or printing out a number until a certain condition is met, etc. And after these expressions we have to give an update expression. Update expression means incrementing or decrementing, like increase the value of n by 1, etc. So now let us look into a sample program of while loop. So this is a sample program of while loop. So the heading is same, and I have declared a variable n, and I have already given an initial value of 1. And moving on to the main function, we are stating a while loop using a while loop there, and in while the keyword, and in parenthesis n great lesser than or equal to 10. So that is our condition, test condition. And we have opened the test block, the statement block here with a curly bracket, and there we are telling the program to print out n. So the initial value of n would be 1. Okay, so when the program checks the condition while n lesser than or equal to 10, yes, the condition is true, so it will be printing out n, and this line of code is for to move on to the next line. And at the end we are incrementing the value of n by 1, so that is n plus plus, and with a semicolon we are ending that line as well. So at the first iteration the program comes and checks the first condition, which is the condition, so n lesser than or equal to 10. So that is true, then the program execute whatever is there in the statement block. So cout insertion operator n, so the value of n will be printed out. Then after that it will move on to the next line, and it will increase the value of n by 1. So now the value of n is 2. So after this it will go all over here and check the condition again. So now the value of n is 2. 2 lesser than or equal to 10. Yes, that is true. Then it will execute whatever there is in the statement block. So cout n, which means it will print out 2 right now. And it will move on to the next line. So this will repeat until n becomes lesser than or equal to 10, or in other words, when n becomes 10 the loop will end itself. So let us run our program. So now it is compiling right now. Yes, you can see the first iteration we got the value of n is equal to 1, in the second iteration 2, and until the 10th iteration the value got 10. So this is how a while loop in C++ works, and tomorrow or in the next video we will discuss about writing a program to print out multiplication table in C++ using while loop. Thank you.